This is the statue of Rongbi, a legendary Karbi women resistance leader against feudal repressions, created by the eminent artist of Assam, Mr. Biren Singha, situated at the central place of Diphu town. The colorful procession used slogans to fight against the reactionary capitalist and cultural nationalism for the sake of indigenous people's culture and to resist communalism and cultural degeneration. A traditional Karbi hut tableau and two ornamented elephants ahead of the procession added a glaring touch to the occasion. Prior to the year 1994, the festival was celebrated in various places in the hill districts. But after 19 long years of celebration, the KCS established the Karbi People's Hall permanently at Tarlangso in the year 1994. From that year, the festival is being celebrated at Tarlangso continuously. Now, Tarlangso has become gradually a central location of different cultural activities. Due to the relentless effort of some dedicated cultural old-timers of the KCS, it has been tried to continue this progressive people's cultural movement against the so-called conservatives and chauvinists with all the democratic forces. This Solidarity historic procession was a highlight of this significance. After the arrival of the Solidarity procession at Tarlangso, the president of Karbi Cultural Society, Mr. Chandrakanta Terang, hoisted the KCS flag. The Tarlangso Opera Group presented the Karbi Cultural Society's anthem, composed by eminent artist Horsing Ingti. Simultaneously, a variety of colored balloons were released in the air. The president of KCS, Mr. Chandrakant Terang, in his speech said that the Karbi Youth Festival has been held uninterruptedly. We have come a long way since 1974. But we still have to go on, as our struggle for establishment of people's culture is not yet over. He urged the community to fight the reactionary, capitalist and cultural nationalism to save the indigenous people's culture. The President extended his heartiest thanks to all the ethnic tribes and communities as well as the artist participants for showing their unity and solidarity towards the Silver Jubilee celebrations of KYF. Dr. Jayanta Rongpi MP inaugurated the Silver Jubilee celebrations of Karbi Youth Festival 1999. In his inaugural speech, Dr. Rongpi expressed satisfaction at the people's participation and said that the festival would try to promote unity and integrity among the different indigenous tribes of the region. Today, the time has come to accelerate the people's cultural movement in a proper way. Further, Dr. Rongpi said that not only in Karbi Anglong or in Assam as well as the northeastern region, but the Karbi Cultural Society would spread the democratic traditions of the Karbi nationality all over the country. Homage was paid to those who sacrificed their heroic lives for the cause of Karbi nationality movement by Dr. Jayanta Rompi MP, B.V. Pandey, Secretary, Janasanskriti Manch, Delhi, Jodson Bey, CEM, Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, Chandrakant